How seriously should investors consider the impact of Elon Musk's tweet on cryptos? Hello, lovely YouTube family. Welcome back to Crypto Millionaires. In today's videos, we're going to talk about how seriously should investors consider the impact of Elon Musk's tweets on cryptos. Before we start, I'd want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Bitcoin was created in 2009, and Elon Musk showed no interest in the virtual currency for the next 11 years. Then one fine day in early February 2021, he announced that Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of coins. This helped the cryptocurrency to go through the roof.
Surprisingly enough, Musk was considered to be a proponent of the crypto market even before any of these high-profile situations developed. In fact, it was back in March of 2014 that Elon mentioned crypto for the first time after being asked by a documentary photographer what he thought of the digital exchange. But things get a lot more interesting the deeper you look.
Which soon saw it reach all-time highs. This is now known as the Elon Musk effect in the virtual currency market. In the first week of October this year, Dogecoin spin-off Floki Inu coin jumped 30% following a tweet by Elon Musk. Musk has a dog named Floki, which is a Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu. This is not the first time that Elon Musk's tweet has upset crypto investors. In March 2021, Musk said that I am getting a Shiba Inu on the street. As a result of these tweets, the Floki Inu grew by 1,000 as of September 15. So over a period of 3 days, the currency has increased 10 times as a result of the tweets from Elon Musk. The Musk effect. In February of this year, when Musk announced that Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of bitcoins, the cryptocurrency was up 20% in a single day.
Elon responded by referring to the fact that Satoshi Nakamoto has now been discovered. This statement of his seemed to refer to a Newsweek article that had been released a few days earlier. According to this article, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, was actually a man by the name of Dorian Nakamoto. But since Mr. Nakamoto vehemently denied this claim, the case wasn't exactly closed. Making a bit of a joke out of the situation, Musk continued by mentioning that Bitcoin was probably a good thing, but was likely going to be used to buy and sell a number of illegal things in the future.
On February 4, he wrote Dogecoin is the people crypto, which caused a sudden 50% jump in Dogecoin in one day. Overall, Dogecoin has seen a 15,000% jump in 1 year thanks to several tweets by Elon Musk expressing his support.
And, surprisingly enough, this is precisely what happened with Bitcoin, resulting in the altcoin losing a lot of its value due to unlawful dealings. Musk then spoke about Bitcoin once more in 2017, which coincides with the meteoric rise of its value. The timing was incredibly coincidental, which caused many to begin asking questions. It was in November of that year that an article titled Elon Musk Probably Invented Bitcoin was published on Medium. And while this article was composed of nothing more than circumstantial evidence, the internet was caught hook, line, and sinker.
In March of this year, Musk announced that Tesla would accept payments in Bitcoin, with the currency rising to $64,000 the following month. However, soon after he warmed to Bitcoin, he declared his hatred at Floki before his newfound love. In May, Musk announced that the electric car maker Tesla would not accept Bitcoin due to environmental concerns. He wrote on Twitter that he was concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, particularly coal, which was the worst emissions of any fuel. He acknowledged that Bitcoin is a great idea, but it may not come at a great cost to the environment. Bitcoin is down 10% shortly after the tweet. The Anno cryptocurrency saw a massive 27% correction after this announcement. Dogecoin also saw a drop of about 20% in the same month. Cautionary tale. Since cryptocurrencies are quite volatile, such cryptic comments, flip-flops, and impulsive buying add fuel to the fire. A short-term investor may be riding the wave to exit the market too soon, but if you want to invest in crypto for a long time, it is not advisable to buy and sell on impulse. For example, Bitcoins may have risen to over $64,000 in April, but they were trading for $50,000 in October. So if you have been in the crypto market for a long time, you can ignore the noise, keep your head low, and wait for the right opportunity to exit. We can summarize that while Elon Musk's tweets influence the price movement of cryptocurrencies, buying and selling a currency as a result of another investor's tweet, albeit a billionaire, is not a rational investment decision.
Elon seemed to change his tune when 2019 came along. He started to consider crypto more seriously, both as a potential component of his business models and from the standpoint of technology in general. He was recorded on a podcast with asset management firm ARK Invest, stating that the structure of Bitcoin was actually quite brilliant, also mentioning that Ethereum should be given some merit as well.
Mint Genie tells you, did you know that Bitcoin jumped nearly 20% in one day to an all-time high of $46,000 after Elon Musk in February 2021 tweeted that Tesla bought the tokens worth $1.5 billion? What is the Elon Musk effect on cryptocurrencies? Dogecoin rose by 15,000% this year after Musk tweeted about the coin. After Musk showed support for Bitcoins through a series of tweets, the digital currency rose to an all-time high of $64,829 as of April 14, 2021. Bitcoin fell by 10% in May 2021 after Musk tweeted that Tesla would not accept Bitcoins anymore. Floki Inu rose by 1,000% after Musk's tweets in September 2021. The countries that adopt cryptocurrency before others will attract more crypto talent. There is a belief that crypto mining countries will also be interested in investing in nations that have friendly policies. El Salvador is an example of the same. It has announced that anyone who invests more than 3 bitcoins in the country's economy will get its citizenship. Legal tender is just one of the many steps. We will also have to keep the transaction fee in mind. The current transaction fee is not feasible for day-to-day transactions. Yes, it can still be used for large transactions. Today, if you buy a burger using Bitcoin, you will end up paying a lot more in transaction fee than the actual cost of the burger, Sumit explained. Where do cryptocurrencies get their value from? No matter how much we talk about cryptocurrencies, the fact remains that they can't be used to purchase anything in the real market, but that doesn't mean that crypto coins don't too many use cases right now. Sumit explained that only a small percentage of holders use gold in the physical form. He said that almost 95% of the world's gold is stored in bullion by the governments and banks. It gets its value from the network of people which believe that it has a certain value. Something similar is happening with Bitcoin. Sumit said that as the market cap of Bitcoin increases, it will emerge as a bigger store of value in the long run. How not to burn your hands? The investors should understand that crypto market is still young. And while there are a lot of videos and articles on the internet about how it can help you make quick money, there is also a massive risk involved. The idea should be to put only a very small part of your investment portfolio in cryptocurrencies. No one should put more money in crypto than what they can afford to lose. I do not recommend anyone to take a loan and invest in crypto. If you have a total investment portfolio of 100 RS, it is okay to invest a small part of it in crypto as a diversification tool. For example, if 5% of your investments are directed towards crypto, the risk is capped at 5% too, but the returns can be substantially higher. Once you have decided on the percentage, the next thing is to finalize the coins you want to buy. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are only few cryptocurrencies people are aware of. You open any crypto trading platform and you will see a long list of coins, and many others are being created real time. It becomes important to know and understand these coins before putting their money in them. The onus is on the investors to do some research and check a coin's history before buying it. The investors should definitely target projects that have long-term potential, have a good history, large network effect, and big community. Do not buy a coin because it is really cheap right now. Do think you can buy 1 lakh coins for just $1. Opt for a cryptocurrency on the basis of its market cap, Sumit said. The investors should start with a small amount. They can buy Bitcoin for as small as 10 RS and expand their portfolio with time. Are investors in their money safe? One of India's leading investment platforms, PaisaBazaar.com, recently shut down its regular mutual funds operation. There was some panic among investors before it clarified that units can still be redeemed from the AMC websites directly. Similar concerns remain over crypto investments. What if an exchange platform shuts down one day? Will your money still be safe? Sumit believes that government needs to come up with proper regulations to ensure that. Once regulations are there, it will not be easy to do that. You will have deposits with the government. You will have to take license and only serious players will be able to survive. Government should also lay out guidelines about who are the players that can operate. For now, the crypto industry in India is self-regulated, but that leaves scope for a lot of malpractices. The investors need to figure out for how long an investment platform has been around and should trust it only after that. And that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.